Crypto seeing a nice bounce, but is this collapse over yet? And if not, how low are we going to go? We're going to talk about it. And this is going to be a straight to the point, quick video. So like and subscribe if you appreciate these quick updates. All right, so we have Bitcoin here. And yesterday, CPI numbers came in. Inflation was cooling off a lot more than expected. So we saw a massive bump, a massive bounce for the crypto markets, stock markets, everything. So if you look at this, S&P 500 here, up 5.5% yesterday because of those CPI numbers, almost back up to 4,000. Excuse me. So huge bump, huge bounce for the stock market. I think they saw like 1.8 trillion US dollars going back into the stock market. Huge stuff because the stock market is way bigger than crypto in market cap. But yeah, crypto seeing a huge bounce too. Bitcoin going from 15,400 all the way up to 18,000. So big bounce for crypto. But is this collapse over yet, or are we going to be heading lower? Well, if you look at it, actually still looking pretty bearish. So we do have this. We're in a bit of a short-term uptrend. We have this ascending support, and you could draw this into a broadening wedge. Draw another line here. We have a broadening wedge, bearish pattern. You could also look at it like a head and shoulders, shoulder, head, another shoulder coming, bearish pattern. So either way you look at it, it looks pretty bearish. And I mean, we have a bearish retest here where we broke this support at 18,000, came down, came up for the retest, got rejected, bearish. So yeah, it's looking very likely we're going to continue seeing the market dump because, I mean, we had some good news yesterday with the CPI, but FTX is still going through the process of insolvency and collapsing. So that could cause crypto contagion where they start liquidating their assets, their Bitcoin, whatever they have, and which drops the price. It can cause cascading effects where other companies get hit by the market dumping so hard, and then other over-leveraged companies start going out, and it's just a ripple effect. So we could have another crypto contagion event, kind of like we saw back when Terra Luna collapsed, Celsius, Voyager, etc. And yeah, so what we're going to see here in the short term probably, so of course it's possible this was the bottom of this dump and we're going to head up, but much more likely within probably today, we're going to see this ascending support. We're going to break it, and then we're going to head at least back down to around the 15,000s and possibly go even lower, maybe even down to 12,000 over the next few days. So that's likely what we're going to see. Zoom out a bit. Excuse me. If you zoom out, so you can see this, we broke this support, came back up, clean retest, got rejected, which means likely to just keep heading lower. You could almost look at this like a little bear flag too. We got the pole here, the flag here. So that'd probably give us a price target down around 12,000. And then, yeah, on the daily, also bearish retest. So probably going to head lower. So, yeah, let's go on the weekly now. And, yeah, so we'll see. I mean, if this weekly candle in the next 2.5 days before it closes somehow bounces, keeps going up and closes like above 19,000, then in that scenario, we could be saved from a further dump. But most likely, we are going to close this weekly candle in 2 days below these support levels, which means next week we may see even more dumping going on, maybe even a bigger red candle down to maybe 12,000, maybe even 10,000. Some people saying under 10,000. Now, I don't know about that, but right now, 12, 13,000 looking super likely to happen in this week or next week. So yeah, it's still looking pretty bad. So I wouldn't be going all in quite yet, but get ready to make some beautiful purchases because I think good chance this could be the last huge dump for this bear market. It's been about a year since the all-time high. All the previous bear markets have lasted about a year, so history isn't guaranteed to repeat, but every time it has lasted about a year. So we could be due for the bottom of this bear market. So this could be the last dump, and especially with CPI coming in cool, less inflation than we expected. Possibly we could see the Fed start pivoting on the rate hikes soon, which would mean markets could take off huge. I mean, just that CPI news gave the S&P 500 5.5% in one day. So yeah, next few months things could start turning around, but yeah, here in the next few weeks, probably going to dump lower. So get ready to make some life-changing purchases, which could give you some life-changing gains over the next few years. So yeah, we're gonna see some crazy stuff. Imagine buying Bitcoin at like 10,000. Yeah, if it gets down to 10,000, I'm probably gonna sell everything I have and just buy Bitcoin. So we may be seeing that coming up soon. Hopefully, the lower it dumps, the better. It just gives us better buying opportunities. So that's what we're gonna see probably for the short term, bigger dump. So there you have it. Like and subscribe if you enjoy these quick updates. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay positive. I'll see you guys later.